we got the moon here, right? Check her out. A little housing on the light housing of that ship behind. And I'm out here with the fireworks are firing off over here in the darker area, hopefully. Right here, I can't really see them too well, but the trees are in the way. Here you go. See, the trees are in my way, but birds are flying. All the birds are tripping in the trees. There's this moon right there. Check that shot up. I'm barely catching these fireworks. That's a pretty good shot though, the moon. Gotta admit. It's really weird looking. Alright. You can hardly see it. There's the east right here. There's another one. Up there. There. How wild is that right there? You can see there's something right in front of the moon. Look at it. Looks shaped like a ship. So fucking weird, like a hat right over top of it. That's the housing of the ship. One of them anyway. What happens is there's a light housing above, a bell housing above. It's like a projector. It projects down onto a mirror, and then you see the beam of whatever they put, like the moon or whatever it is on it. That might sound weird, but it's true. I watched it for, I don't know how long now, months. You can tell it's not normal. I mean, you can look at it. If anything, it's not normal. If you don't want to believe my ship theory, well, I know that's true because I've had close-up shots of this stuff. There's definitely something going on behind that, you know. It's not just the moon, there's something else happening. You can see a housing above it, you can see shapes above it right there. I mean, something's up. I'm even hearing some thunder over in the distance here. There's another one. See the birds take off? Freaked out right over the top of my camera. They don't give a fuck, though. Before you say, oh, it's only one night a year, so what? Take it somewhere else. Put it in the field where there's no birds and houses of animals and all that shit. It's right here in the neighborhood. It's right there by a highway. You obviously seen the birds trip out right in the tree. You just saw them fly out of it. You think they're happy about that? I'm sure they are. Excited. I don't care if you like it or not. I don't give a shit. That's right, I'm grouchy about the animals, so I don't like it. Oh, whatever. Look how lit that is, man. Crazy looking, huh? The rest of the sky is real dark here. Birds are gone. There's another one. Just flew out of the tree. Right past my head. Look at that bullshit right there. You can see the housing around that light right there. Check it out. You see it? Well, remember your moon was small as shit. What's that thing around it? That's a housing around it. Check it out. See, at times you can see it on the outside of it. The moon's in that little thing, and then look around the outside of it. You see a shape go around it. And if the clouds are going behind the moon, you might want to tell you something. That the light might be strong and close and local, if you know what I'm saying. Right? I don't care how far they say the moon is 4,000 miles? Well, that's bullshit. It's not even close. Probably about 3,000, not even that. And these ships are only about up there about 7 miles or so, 6 miles maybe, a little bit more. So yeah, that's local as hell. And fake. Alright, we're done. Pretty cool. Go back over here, guys. This is we're in the sanctuary here. Can't see anything yet, but it's alright. You see that? So we are in the sanctuary. And you can tell where this is right where all the you know, our animals are, right? See if I can get the moon from the side. Yep, okay. Right there. See, when they hit near these trees, the birds take off. I would too, man. That would freak me out if I was a bird. I was sitting right next to the fireworks that were going off. There's smoke and shit all over the place. You see that little shape right there? That thing. Look at it. You can see it. It's something. There's a portal. Them ships go in and out of those damn holes underneath the ship. That's the truth. Absolute. And also, remember the heads I showed you on the front of the bureau, the big, massive head ships? They also come off and no wonder they attach to the side of the bureau like a station. The big heads, in other words, on each side. Remember I told you all the heads? Three on this side, three on that side, one on the top. And you see a ship right next to it. The hole, it's a hole right there where you're looking at. That's an actual portal where this light's coming out of. And it's beaming off of another light, just hit off of that housing above it. What it does is shoots down like a projector, like in your school when you have one in your classroom. Remember, it shoots down the projector and it hits a mirror and it hits and it points in the direction. Look at all that damn smoke they're letting off down there. That's crazy. Alright. You can see something up there right above it. I mean, people, I don't know what you need else to see. I mean, that's not normal. That's not what your moon shouldn't look like. It's coming out of a fucking lighthouse. As fake as it may be, or fake as they are making it, still shouldn't look like it, right? Best I can get tonight is just, you know, the lighting on my camera and the convergence off of this damn ship's got to be high. Electromagnetic field right here has got to be absolutely off the charts. Look at the shapes and the faces around it, around the moon itself. See them? Right there's a face, right there. Pull it back a little. See them? I don't know what they are. They could be part of the ship, but I don't know what that is. Could be people looking at you. Who the hell knows? I've been videotaping for 8 minutes. I'm sure they know I'm videotaping them. They know everything you do. Look at that head right there. Right here on top. On top of the moon right there. Check them out. Right there. What's that? An antenna or something? What the hell is it? See it? Nice. Yeah, look at the smoke down here, guys. Check this out. Get down here. Look at this shit. Look at the smoke from the area that they're shooting off of this lot right across from the stream here where all these birds and everything are sitting. It's already dingy out here already. So anyway, I'm glad I can get out here and look at some of these fireworks. That'll give me an excuse to actually point my camera at this thing for a while at night so these neighbors don't fucking say, what is he doing? Oh boy, we better call the police because he's shining his camera at the moon. There's something wrong. See, I'm right in it. It's hitting me right in my yard. Some of the shit's falling down in my yard now. Check it out, guys. I'm going to let you go, alright? So this is July 4th, obviously, Independence Day, which is a bullshit day. Okay? Independence of what? Independence of your mind and body. That's basically about it. Alright, independence is fake anyway, so is the Constitution, so is everything else in this country, and it doesn't run the way you think it is, so Independence Day is bullshit, so I don't really give a shit about it. But, if anybody wants to know about July 4th, it's the day that my mom passed away in the year 2000. Right on July 4th at 3:30 exactly. Okay? There is a significance to July 4th to me. There you go, guys. And she had cancer, which she fought for a while. And I'm sure it was because of all the shit in the air, the sky, the water, the food. And I'm sure even when they... And here's another thing for you guys. When you see a package, and on the front of the package it says non-GMOs, don't eat it. Because they're supposed to put it on the back. That's an advertisement, by the way. So when you see something that says non-GMOs right on the front of the package, don't eat it because it has GMOs in it. Why? You want to take a chance? Because they're fooling you. It's called... Well, they call it puffing. That's what the old word is. Exaggerating. I call it lying to the people and killing them is what I call it. Alright, guys. For Christmas, the Johnny Darko Show. Showing you the fireworks, which are meaningless to me, and the real story above us, which is going on right there. Y'all have a good day. God bless us all. It is almost July 11th. We will be expecting at least a PSYOP coming up next week. Remember I told you it's from July 10th to July 19th. If you take those dates, all right, just write them down on a piece of paper. You see 7, 10, 17, all the way up to 7, 19, 17. If you look at that, if you look at those days, there's 10 days. Every one of those days are forward and backward, the same exact reverse. And you know how they use things that way. So we will be expecting at least a psychological operation next week. So be prepared in your area. If you see anything stupid and they corned it off, get the hell out of there. Or just start videotaping because it's probably fake. Y'all have a good day. God bless.